What's up guys, how you all doing? Today I'm gonna show you really cool experiments with water. Look what happens if I put the water in the glass all the way through like this, and then I set the card on top and turn it like this. Look at this. The card is completely stuck, and I can even shake it like this and nothing happens. Isn't that cool? So basically what happens is when I set the card on top, it creates vacuum, and that's why card is stuck now. It basically sucked in to the glass, and that's why it's holding very well. And if I want, I can easily remove the card. Look at that. See here? Alright, for this experiment we will need cold and hot water. So I'm gonna put the cold water first, all the way here. And let's mark it with the food coloring. Let's put 2 drops. Here we go. Okay, let's mix it up like this. Now let's add the hot water. All the way. Here we go. Maybe a little bit too much, but that's okay. And we'll mark it with the yellow food coloring. 2 drops again. Now let's set one glass on top of the other. I'm gonna set the warm water one first. Alright. Here we go. And we will set this one on top here. Now watch this, guys. Look at that. I'm gonna set white piece of paper on the back so you guys can see. Look at that. The yellow color stays by itself and the blue one stays by itself too. And they don't even mix. That's pretty amazing. So let's try the opposite way. We're gonna put this cold one on top of the hot water. Okay. Setting it over here. Now let's see what happens. You see that? Look at this, it's all completely blended. The cold water went down and it blended with the warm water, and it's all green. How crazy is that? This one I made about 4 hours ago, and the hot water was on top and the cold water was on the bottom. And look at this, they didn't even blend yet. I can see a little bit here, they kind of started blending, but not really. After 4 hours, isn't that crazy? Alright guys, that's pretty much it. I hope you liked this video. Let me know in the comments down below what do you think about this experiment, and I'll see you next time. Now let's, oh man, can't even talk anymore.